yes in the chat. Okay, it's a very different type of technology. Like if you are not in this field, you probably won't understand. That's why I have to station myself in Dubai, because they are the only country in the world with Ministry of AI. Their taxis here don't have driver, their bus don't have driver, so I don't know how to say anymore, right? So this is what we need to be prepared for the future, because that's why we are called future trends, not past trends, right? So then another one that we are invested in is called SportsMax. Jonathan, I'm not sure Jonathan give you the details into that, but essentially, right now you guys are longing and shorting. Okay, Anand is saying in Thailand it's difficult to identify trans and a real woman. Anand, is that a personal experience or just kidding? You know. Okay. Okay, we have a bit of a joke at Future Trends. Otherwise, it's so boring, right? Come on, right? We talk about trend line, parallel channel, so boring, right? Okay. Anyway, SportsMax is cool, right? When you are longing a Bitcoin, you think Bitcoin will go up, yes or no? If yes, type in yes. If you're longing a Bitcoin, you think Bitcoin will go up, yes or no? And if you're right, you get paid rewards, which is your profits, right? If yes, type in yes. But imagine if you can do that with soccer games. Imagine you can do that with basketball games. Imagine you can do that with volleyball games or tennis games, right? So over time, you can, let's say, you're watching Manchester United versus Chelsea right now. Okay, Manchester United is 1-0 up. So, and you long Manchester United, right? You long Manchester United. And then Chelsea is 1-1. They score 1 and then now it's 1-1. Now your position is down. So it's a bit like sports betting, yes. A lot of people say, well, this is unethical, things like that. But let me ask you guys a question here. Is sports betting one of the biggest industry in the world? Yes or no? Okay, yes or no? Huge. So we want to get a piece of that, right? We want to get a piece of. How many of you would like to get a piece of that? This one, Jonathan's mentor has a location of over 500,000. We backed him for like 200,000. We couldn't get it. We could only get about 100,000+ US dollar. We back. We have money. We also need to back. Okay. Why? Because this SportsMax project is backed by this guy called Arthur Hayes. How many of you heard of Arthur Hayes? Right? Arthur Hayes, if you all do not know, how many of you heard of ETHENA? ETHENA, ENA, the token ENA. So ENA is also backed by Arthur Hayes. So this guy is like a big, very influential person in crypto. So he's like basically he's very controversial. He's like the Donald Trump of crypto, but very smart guy, a very, very smart guy. And when he support a project, the project will fly. So that's why we invested in SportsMax. Okay. And then there was another project that came to us called Baby Shark Universe. How many of you heard of Baby Shark? Baby Shark. Okay, Baby Shark. If you do not know, Baby Shark is their videos on YouTube has the highest amount of views ever in the history of videos. Yes, the song Baby Shark. So the Baby Shark has characters. Like, I don't know about this. If you guys are parents, you all would know better, right? Yeah, I can see Yao knows very, very clearly how to sing the song. So maybe later I mute for Yao to sing the song. No, I'm just kidding. Just in case you start getting panicky. No. So Ping Fong is a Korean corporate company that owns the trademark for Baby Shark. So Baby Shark Universe come to us. They want to raise money from us. Okay. I thought it was a great deal because Baby Shark brand is very, very big. And all your kids who are listening to Baby Shark, they'll grow up and play this. Then I realized one thing, right? Okay. I realized one thing. This project is not good. Why this project is not good? Because there was a cliff investing issue. So in order for us to see profit, I need to wait 3 years. 1 year of cliff, which means I won't get any token for 1 year, and I only get token on the second and third year. Okay, I only get token on the second and third year, which basically means that I will not be able to see a full profit 3 years later. Now, 3 years in crypto is very, very long. A lot of things can happen. How many of you agree? Type in A in the chat. Okay, type in A in the chat. So this is very, very important. So that's when I realized that, you know what? Okay, we rejected this deal because we don't see the Baby Shark metaverse as something that can last 3 years. Okay, so as a group, in our Whale Inner Circle, we rejected the Baby Shark Universe deal. Okay, so you can, because Jonathan told you about the deals that we invested in, but I need to also tell you the deal that we rejected. So you know what kind of deal we will take and what kind of deal we will not take. You get what I'm saying? So because I get a lot of these funny deals all the time, I have like deals that will revolutionize property. You can tokenize your property, all this kind of stuff. But we are not confident because behind the scene, there is no strong team. There is no Arthur Hayes. There is no Yat Siu. There is no big player pushing it. I need big player pushing it. You understand what I'm saying? The product can be good. If the marketing sucks, the team sucks, it's useless. If you understand, typing you in the chat, right? So our end goal obviously is to get the VC ROI, as you can see here. Our end goal is very simple, right? To be able to buy tokens very cheap. I want you guys to look at, because I met a VC 2 nights ago. Was it 2 nights ago? Yeah, 2 nights ago, right? I want you guys to go look at this coin called Pendo. Okay? Look at this coin called Pendo. Tell me what's the price of Pendo right now. Yeah, tell me what's the price of Pendo. Yeah, Pendo. Pendle. What's the price? 5.691. Yes, 2 days ago, 2 nights ago, I had dinner with one of my friends in Dubai. Okay, in Dubai. This guy was telling me, I sold Pendo too early. I said, and his wife is a VC, so his wife gave him this deal. And I said, what do you mean too early? Right now, I think it still have a lot of leg room to fly. You know, the chart looks good, a lot of things looks good. It might still go up. Right? He said, Desmond, I sold Pendo at $3. He's like, damn it, Desmond. Can't believe it. I sold Pendo at $3. I sold Pendo at $3. I say, how much did you buy Pendo for? Desmond, you don't understand. I bought Pendo at 30 cents. I say, how the heck did you get it at 30 cents? How the heck do you get it at 30? Let me ask you this question. Would you buy Pendo at 30 cents? Yes or no? Right? I said, how the hell do you get it at 30 cents? He said, well, my wife is part of a VC group. We get this VC deal. So I bought like, let's say, I think he told me he bought 50K, 50 of Pendo at 30 cents. And he sold it at $3 and he's very upset now. You see, VC, they're upset at different things. They're upset when they're sold too early. Retail, we upset we buy the wrong thing. Correct or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So that's what you need to understand, right? VC ROI is very important. Now, that's why as a group, right, we also reject projects. We don't go take on every project because we want to be very careful, right? We need to be very careful not to invest randomly. We also need to acknowledge the fact that the flow of liquidity in the next 9 to 12 months, okay, supposedly, which I adjusted 12 to 18 months. In the last presentation that I did for this, I said the 9 to 12 months will be the bull market. However, I changed my mind. Why? I didn't expect the inflation in America to be so rampant. I did not expect Joe Biden to continue to support the Ukraine and also the Israel war, right? I didn't expect Joe Biden is so despicable. I thought he will try to be nice, try to win the election. Nope. I think he already conceded the election. And now he's just serving his masters, which I did not expect at all. Okay? Maybe I expected too highly of him. So what I'm trying to say is that right now, the bull market that I initially expected it to be shorter, it's not prolonged. I think it will be a 2 years thing. Okay, I think it will be 1 month bull market, next month bear market, bull market, bear market. It will keep taking retail out of the market. But we need to maintain the discipline. We need to maintain the fact that the longer bull market is good for our VC investment. Why? Okay, why? This one you need to understand. Why? Because as a VC, when you invest, you cannot sell all your tokens straight away. You all know? Do you know this? If you all know this, type in yes. Okay, if you know this, type in yes. Okay, you cannot sell your tokens straight away. You need to sell after, let's say, so for example, some projects, right, they'll allow you to sell 10% straight away when they launch. Some you need to wait 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay, for example, with ATO, we need to wait 1 year. Okay, before we can sell anything. And then every month we get tokens and then we can sell. We cannot get all the tokens straight away. Every month we get tokens for 24 months. Okay. So this is it's like token unlock, yes. Except now we are happy that it unlocks, right? The retail scared that we are unlocking. So now the table has flipped. You get what I'm saying? So with a token unlock, the retail are scared. They want to sell, right? When VC comes, token unlock, we're very happy because we finally can get our token and then we can sell. If that's making sense, type in yes in the chat. This is very, very important, right? So which basically means that now that the bull market is predicted to be longer now, it's good for all this long-term project. We need to see as an investment, not a trade. Okay. So our strategy remains consistent. We need to earn extra income via futures trading. We allocate more funds into altcoins that can have higher multiple short time frame. This includes the VC type of deals, and hold the entire cycle and start selling at the top. Remember, a lot of people ask me, when is the top? The top is when your barber start asking you, what is Bitcoin? When do I invest? What is the best exchange to invest? Right? When people that you know will never touch crypto start touching crypto, that is a top signal, right? So this is what Wealth Accelerator program is all about. I know yesterday Jonathan didn't really explain the two parts of it. So today I will do my job and explain the two parts of it. The first part that is very important is going to be the Smart Money Bootcamp, which is an online class. Why this is important is the fact that you have to understand this. A lot of you told me you are not in a position to invest in a VC deal yet, because a VC deal, think about it, you invest $5,000. That $5,000 you will not be able to see any return until 1 year later. Okay, until 1 year later. And all the good deals, all the good projects will not allow you to touch the token until 1 year later. This is called cliff, right? Please type in the word cliff. C-L-I-F-F. Okay, cliff. So my point is, you need to take this time to continue to build up your income. That is where we run this thing called Smart Money Concepts Bootcamp, which is an online 2-day class. Online 2-day class. I just want to be clear here. How many of you here you attended my SMC class before? It could be the 7 days or the 2 days, right? Type in SMC in the chat, right? I know some people have done it. It's quite a complex class. It's quite, I wouldn't say complex as in difficult. You are now trading using the institution's way, which is your goal is to trap the retail. So it's a bit different. Okay, so it's very, very different. The mindset is basically to avoid stop losses. The mindset is to basically open less trade, but every single trade you open, it's basically to take retail liquidity. It's a bit different. Okay, so we are doing a class for Smart Money Concept because a lot of requests for this. So we will be doing this for people that join Wealth Accelerator program to help you improve your trading strategies, improve your trading results. And then we also have Bull Market Blueprint Live Workshop. This is an online class. This is an offline class. This is an in-person, in real life. This will be in Johor. Okay, this one I think Jonathan already explained to you yesterday what is the content inside. So Smart Money Bootcamp class number 1 is a pure technical analysis class to learn how to trade with the whales. This is very, very crucial. Okay, today I already taught you how to see it. But if you want to go more in depth, okay, understand liquidity purge, understand, okay, why chop and why boss, these kind of things, okay, give you a better condition to trade, okay. This is conducted purely online. Okay, why is it conducted purely online? Because I need to share my chart. If I do it offline, right, a lot of you will be very happy, I know, because a lot of people have been asking for offline class. But I know it's very hard, because imagine a projector and then I put trading view on the projector. Everyone find it very difficult to see, and then you will not be able to learn. At least through online, we can stream, and then you can tell me where to look. Okay. Now, so what's so special about this strategy compared to retail trading strategy? It's very simple. Number 1, you analyze the actions of institutional investors and trade accordingly. Now, if you notice, I've been telling you guys to be very careful with Bitcoin since last month. I've also been telling you guys to avoid trading Bitcoin since last month, because I see institutions trying to push price down. Okay. And the reason is because I have the Smart Money Concepts theory playing for me. For those of you who come before to my Smart Money Concept, you know that there's this trade pattern called Wyckoff distribution. Okay, Wyckoff distribution, right? You all can Google it. You all can go YouTube it if you all want to. Okay, it's happening right now, which is why I'm telling you guys, be very careful with Bitcoin. That's why I'm actually having a Bitcoin short right now as a hedge, just in case Bitcoin tanks, my spot wallet also tank. But it's okay, because I have a short that is hedging for me right now. So this is very, very important. So Bitcoin is a danger zone because of this. Number 2 is, sometimes when you learn too much, you have Fibonacci, you have trend line, you have parallel channel, it gets very noisy. So Smart Money Concept actually only look at a few things, and it's very step by step. It's mainly looking at certain criteria must occur before you open the trade. Okay, then you focus purely on the big trade. Our goal with Smart Money Concepts is not to catch the small move, it's to catch the big long green candle or the long red candle. Once those candles appear, we take profit. That's it. Okay, that's the Smart Money Concept strategy, right? And then it reduces stop loss hits, increase your profitability. I'll give you an example, because talk is easier, right? So this is an example of how Smart Money manipulates the market to eat your liquidity. Take a quick look. You can see that accumulation. You see that? This is an accumulation. You can see smart money buying here because smart money only buy on a consolidation phase or consolidation shelf. We call it shelf, right? And then guess what? Now it forms a chalk. You see that? If you all see it forms a chalk, let me know in the chat. So number one, accumulation. Smart money buys the asset slowly at a controlled price in the shelf area, right? Okay. This one, I think all of you know this already. At 10 3-day challenge, we talk about this already, right? Then it forms a chalk. So when it forms a chalk, what happens? A lot of people will long, yes or no? Because this is a higher high, right? Yes or no? Type in the chat, let me know, right? This is a higher high. So what happens? A lot of people think, okay, the market is changing direction. It is now about to reverse and go bullish. But this is actually a manipulation ploy. Smart money fakes a bullish move to trick retail into buy long. Okay? And then you can see smart money selling. Okay? You can see smart money selling. I'll let you guys take a picture of this. Okay? Take a quick picture of this or a screenshot of this. Quite important. Smart money sells slowly by forming a retail bullish action. Retail thinks the market is going up, but actually it is just a fake out. This is a complete fake out. So how do we see a fake out? You remember, always remember this. To prevent this from happening, we teach you more in smart money. Okay, we teach you more in smart money concepts. We teach you more in the SMC bootcamp. But if you're unable to attend the SMC bootcamp, the one thing you have to remember is this. If boss is not here, nothing is confirmed. Please remember this. If you remember this, type in yes. Okay, very important. Boss not here, nothing is confirmed. Boss here, confirm. Okay, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, but if you come to Smart Money Bootcamp, I'll teach you more, deeper, a much more confirmed strategy to avoid the fakes. Okay, that's why you see this. Take a look at this. Okay, I posted this on March 7 to buy TON at $2.67. Okay, to buy TON. Remember this? This is in Discord, by the way, right? Analysis, purely technical. I see some big accumulation in the chart, might be whales accumulating, medium-sized position, right? Now, there's actually a mistake here. Do you all see the mistake? How many of you see the mistake? Okay, what's the big mistake? Okay, if you don't know, type in don't know. Ken is correct. Medium-sized position. Why did I do medium-sized position? God damn it. It should be a big-sized position. It was so clear. It was so clear. Those of you who come to Smart Money concepts before, do you see this? There's a spring, double spring. Okay, it was so clear. And then you see this chalk is happening in this area, boss is happening in this area. My goodness, this is Desmond being complete fool of himself because I should buy a big position. However, because this thing pumps so much, my medium position becomes super big position now. Okay, so people ask me, Desmond, TON coin is correcting right now. Are you selling? I don't know how to sell because I bought so cheap. Okay, but you see this. Okay, if you learn how to see this shelf, if you learn how to see this part here, that's when you will be able to see smart money deploying their action, doing what they need, buying and accumulating. Okay, so my average buy price is actually the green line, as you can see, the green line here. So I was able to buy at 2795, which is fantastic, right? And if you follow future trends long enough, you know this is not the only coin that I call like this. There was other coins as well. So this is market signaling a move before news release. So you must know this. Many times, this is an example. The market is designed to take your liquidity if you're not ready. Okay. When I say the market is designed to take your liquidity, what does it mean? That means the market is designed to take your stop loss. Okay. Because stop loss is the only entry or the only order or the only contract that you place that can automatically be triggered. Would you agree? Because not everyone put TP, right? But everyone will put stop loss. If you agree, type in A, especially bigger traders, right? Especially bigger traders, bigger retail traders. So the only way I can take your liquidity when you're sleeping, take your liquidity when you're not paying attention, the only way I can actually open certain orders, I can open liquidity out is your stop loss. So I want you to take a look at this. This is a very good example here of a smart money concepts at play. Take a look. Price is going up. Do you see? Price is going up. So this is what? an uptrend. Everybody please type in uptrend in the chat, right? This is an uptrend. Now you guess what? Now the price slows down and start consolidating. A lot of people will think, okay, this is going to come down, right? It's forming a downtrend here. You see that? So if you don't see the right side, you only see this side, I can promise you a lot of you will think this is the top and you will start shorting, yes or no? Okay? The gray area here, these are liquidity. This is called retail support, okay? Most retail will exit here, okay? Price goes up, retail will exit here. They'll start selling here. So smart money is buying more and then they push the price down, okay? So this gray area here is called retail support because for those of you who don't know, smart money support and retail support are very different. Retail support mostly are filled with liquidity from retail players like us. Smart money support is usually far away. You can see here. It's called institution support. Do you realize just now when I was charting the chalk, I keep drawing the supply zone. Do you notice that? If you notice that, type in supply in the chat. Right? Type in supply in the chat. Supply zone is actually institutions' resistance level. Okay? It's institutions' resistance level. My point is that the typical support and that retail use and the typical support that institution use are actually very, 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 very different. Okay? You can see the support is here, but retail support is here. And then the price goes up. So if you exited here, you would have missed the whole bullish move. You have missed, and you would have thought this is a reversal, but this is actually a retracement. Why? Because the answer is very simple. The boss never appear. Only chalk appear, but the boss never appear. You see this? This is a chalk, a bearish chalk, but there was no boss here. So the price action continues. Okay, this is what we teach in Smart Money Concepts Bootcamp. And in Smart Money Concepts Bootcamp, there is also this concept called Wyckoff logic. Wyckoff logic says that accumulation happens, then it goes up, distribution goes down. Price always move like this. Okay, and this pattern here is designed by this guy called Richard Wyckoff. And Richard Wyckoff believes in one thing: every price, every asset, every financial market inside there is this guy called the composite man. What is the composite man? The composite men are basically people with a lot of money that move the price up and down. How many of you agree that in every asset that we trade, there's actually a player, there's actually a composite man that is actually operating the price, moving price up and down? If you agree, type in A in the chat, right? And their formula that they use is called Wyckoff logic. Okay, Wyckoff logic. Okay, so I'll give you tips here. Very important, please write this down. In crypto, if you launch a coin, okay, if let's say we all come up with FD coin, how about that? FD coin, okay, FD coin. Or maybe we come up with, do you guys know that we're coming out of meme coin? If yes, type in meme coin in the chat. Not sure if you guys know. Okay, meme coin, not meme. Okay, so Future Trends is launching a coin called Smelly. Everyone, please type in the word Smelly. I don't know if you all know the ticker, right? We have a coin called Smelly that's coming soon. So I'll tell you this thing. When we want to launch Smelly, okay, I cannot just create the coin and put it onto an exchange and it works by its own. It doesn't work. Because remember what I said, if everyone is buying, there's nobody selling, or everyone is selling, there's nobody buying, the coin will crash or pump like crazy. It doesn't make sense, right? So what happens? You need these guys called the market maker. Please type in MM in the chat. We'll use this term a lot this year. MM, market maker. So what I need to do is I need to hire a market maker for Smelly, pay a lot of money, okay, out of our own pocket, because you have to understand we don't make money from Smelly, okay? We pay the market maker a lot of money, and then we have to give some tokens to the market maker. Okay. And then the market maker will manipulate the market for us, who push the price up for us, create the volume for us, the buy-sell volumes for us, then only the exchange will list. Now, I saw a question earlier, I think today someone asked, does the exchange also do this? Yes. Binance do this. Okay. So the price can go up. Okay. So in crypto, the major market makers are the composite men. Okay, are the composite men. If you understand now, type in yes. And market makers also have data from the exchange. Because a lot of people think that exchange make money off your commission. How many of you think that, oh, exchange make money from our commission? Yes or no? Your fees, your trading fees, yes or no? They don't make a lot. You think enough to cover the costs? You want to know how they make money? Yes or no? I'll teach you. I teach all this in Smart Money Bootcamp. I give you a hint of what you're going to get. Okay, I want you guys to type exactly what I say. Okay, payment for order flow. Payment for order flow. What does it mean? It basically means that exchanges are selling your limit orders, your stop losses to market makers, to institutions, to composite men. So if we know all this data, can they manipulate your trades? Yes or no? Can they hit your stop loss? That's why retail people cannot make money in trading. That's why you need to use smart money concepts. So you learn to trade like them. How many of you see that now? It's a bit discouraging, isn't it? But once you trade smart money concepts, 30-40% return a month. Okay? So smart money concepts, learn how to institutions set up their trades, how to use leading indicator instead of lagging indicator. Very big difference. A lot of indicators that you have been taught to use, EMA, right? Moving average, volume, RSI, those are all lagging indicators. In smart money, technically there is no indicator. You look at chart pattern, very important, because by the time the indicator is printed, it's too late, right? So, and how prices are manipulated by whales and how you can trade before a news release. Okay, so these are my final date for Smart Money Concept Bootcamp. I don't teach this a lot. For those of you who know, I do this because there's a huge demand from people wanting to learn this. So the dates are May 28 and 29. If you guys are free, type in free in the chat, right? English session only, just May 2029. This is my last one, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Singapore time, right? Definitely need to come if you want to learn all this whale movement, how rich people get richer, and how retail people are manipulated. Because once you know how retail people are manipulated, you know how the trading game works, then it's a lot easier for you to trade. Okay, like the whales, trade like the smart money. I'm not saying you cannot make money from trading. I want you to know. It's just that you cannot make money from the traditional way of retail trading. If you understand me, type in U for understand, right? That's why I said earlier, if you do the support resistance, you will make money, but you need to understand that sometimes why you lose money, right? Why you lose money. So that's just obviously one part of Whale Accelerator program. Jonathan shares with you Bull Market Blueprint live workshop yesterday, which is on the 18th and 19th of May 2024. How many of you here you're committed to go to Bull Market Blueprint workshop, which is on 18 and 19 May, right? If you're free, you got time to go, type in BNB in the chat, BNB. From what I know, I can see in the group chat, we're trying to get some big boys to come in crypto, which, by the way, they don't really show up to places like this because they consider us too small, right? $1 billion company, $100 million company. We are one of the biggest launchpad in the world coming. We have we get A-Tier to come. A-Tier is going to come, and he said so far he's willing to come. So it will be interesting to get A-Tier to come, so you all can ask him good questions, and maybe we can do some deals there together, and we can all make money. Okay. And much more. Okay. What is the time for SMC again? It's 8 to 11. Okay, 8 to 11. I'll try to finish 2 hours and a half like that. Okay. So Bull Market Blueprint will be hosted in Johor Bahru, which is JB, to make it easy for Singaporeans as well as Malaysians to come. I will personally be flying back from Dubai to Johor to actually be conducting this as well with Jonathan, because I really think this is very important as we enter into this phase here. I can see a few things happening, guys. You know, on the chart, right? This is well, every time I say this is a bit controversial. I'm starting to see some volume coming into major altcoins. You need to be careful. I think something is happening. Okay, and in a good way, in a good way. So we need to pay attention to this area right now. So that's why we decided to do on May 18 and 19, because the entire purpose is to prepare you for the June, July, August, which will be a very, very important month. Because June, July, August, I suspect it will be a couple of months where people will ridicule you, people will laugh at you for making this decision. But around September, October, November, you will thank us for coming to this May 18, 19, right? You will not see instant result, but given time, I am very confident that you will be able to see some significant result, okay? So this is bull market blueprint. Jonathan shared with you yesterday already, which is the fact that you will learn the inner working of financial market, unlock opportunities in crypto, you will learn the whale mindset, power of hype, news trading, very important news trading, especially this year, okay? And also how to analyze white papers, analyze a token using ChatGPT, and then also portfolio management strategies. This is really, really good. And I suggest if you see me and Jonathan walking around in bull market blueprint, we're not doing anything, let's say we're chilling, come to us, share with us your portfolio. If I have time, I will help you to try to reconstruct your portfolio a little bit and see what you need. Okay, and let me know how many kids you have, what liabilities you have, all prepared, right? Let us know, okay, Desmond, I have this right now. Should I take more risk? Should I reduce my risk? What should I invest in? Should I do more Bitcoin or should I do more new coins? All this kind of stuff, okay? All right, so should I come if I already have 6 to 8 figures? Yes, definitely. Obviously, you learn smart money and very special strategy as well. Okay, so please write down the dates and the location, 18, 19 May, Johor Bahru. Okay, if you guys are able to go to JB, please type in JB in the chat. Okay, we'll FT set up copy trade in the future. Copy trade is also quite manipulative, yeah. I want you to know. Actually, I'm thinking to do copy trading, but I realized that not all followers will make money because your account size will be different. So this is something that I'm working on. Sally, you give me some time. And there is also a thing where the exchange want me to open a trade every day, and I don't trade every day. That's the issue, Sally, right? It's not that I don't want to trade. Actually, I had open copy trading for a few people, very good, but the only complaint is why you only trade 3 times a week. So there's a huge complaint for that. So 18 to 19 May, Johor Bahru, okay? And PNB got Mandarin. I'm sorry, we're unable to do this in Mandarin. It's just very, very complex because there's a lot of fundamental news to it, but we use very simple English. Okay, if your Mandarin is not convenient, you can just let our team know. We can do some basic translation for you. Okay, the time is going to be morning, let's say 10 o'clock until 6 o'clock. Okay, so these are the 2 things that you will get in Wealth Accelerator program: Sales Smart Money Bootcamp as well as Bull Market Blueprint. We already got a lot of applicants for Wealth Accelerator program, to be honest with you. I think it's for those of you who are whitelisted. If you are interested, today we're opening our doors. So all you need to do is just pay close attention to this. Very important, okay? First thing first is Smart Money Concepts Bootcamp. You will get this on May 28 and 29, okay? 2 days, 2 nights with me, where we will learn how the wheels operate, okay? And then Bull Market Blueprint, which is a real-life event in Johor Bahru. This is 18 and 19 May. Please make sure you write down the notes. And then you will get early stage deals from venture capital deal flows. I am just curious, is there anyone here that already in WAP? Okay, if you're already in WAP, can you type in WAP in the chat? Wealth Accelerator Program. Okay, all the names are really long. So WAP, if you're already in there, right? I am just curious, anyone here got into the 8-year deal? I'm not sure if you guys are here. I know, Austin, you got into an 8-year deal, right? Okay. How many of you get into 8-year deal? If you're already in the 8-year VC deal, type in 8-year in the chat or ATH. So just so I know Austin is inside. Okay, in but didn't get. Okay, too bad. Okay, Nicholas got it as well. Very good. Just to let you know, yeah, the position that you're in, I got friends asking if they can buy your position or not. So even the coin haven't listed, they want to buy your VC position, which is crazy. Crazy, right? No need 100K to get. No need. So we syndicate. That's why, right? So before we even start the class, we already give these deals to the guys because I want everyone to profit from this. I want everyone to take advantage of this as fast as possible, because before Nicholas and Austin got the deal, actually not before, after they got the deal, after they have done the payment and everything, I have a couple of friends in Dubai. They say, that's when I heard you get the 8-year deal. I say, yes, I swim in the Dubai flood to go meet the guy. And they say, can I buy the deal from you? I say, hell no, I have a very small position. I'm not giving you my position. They say, what about your guys in Future Trends? You know, they're retail, right? Can I buy from them? Can I pay them 20% on top, right? So I was like, what the heck? The coin is not even launched. They wanted the deal so bad, right? So that happens as well. We'll give you deals as we go. Right now, we have 2 deals coming in May. So I will let you know about this as well if you're in WAP. Before you attend the class, I already sent you guys. Then you all can learn how to analyze. Doesn't mean that you have to invest because everybody's level is different. Okay. And if you join today to the Whale Accelerator program, you will also get a 3 days orientation program for newbies. If you're brand new, if let's say yesterday Jonathan said a lot of things you don't understand, how many of you are in that position? What is token unlock? I thought unlock means key unlock. If that's you typing me in the chat, it's don't be shy, because the first year I was in crypto, I was so confused. I was like, what is all these people? They must be smoking weed or something, because these people are crazy, right? What is shots? Shots, is it shit? Or is that like what is it? What is parallel EVM? What is SVM? Oh my goodness, all these are so complex. What is decentralization? Oh my goodness, I am so confused, right? I'm not a programmer, I'm not a computer technologist. Okay, to be honest with you guys, first year I was like that. And then nobody helped me. So and then there was not a lot of YouTube videos, content to read online, right? So we hired Derek, who has been in crypto for a very, very long time. And Derek has agreed to actually organize a 3 days orientation program for you guys. So the dates, I think my team will announce later. I think it's on the page later, so you guys can check it out. And these 3 days is going to be like maybe 1 hour to 2 hours per night, where you can go in and you'll cover some very basic things of crypto, things that you need to understand. If you are already in crypto, you already know what are these EVM, SVM, these things are, then you don't need to attend. It's free, right? This is for people that are in WAP, just to prepare you before the bull market blueprint. Because when you come to the bull market blueprint, the last thing I want to hear is if you're blur, because I want to prepare you, think of it like an orientation program before the bull market blueprint. Okay, then we have a meme coin project. If you remember the ticker for my meme coin, please type in the ticker. What is it? Anyone remind me? Okay, there is a meaning behind it. Yeah, we are not comfortable to review the information yet. But when you are part of Whale Accelerator program, you will also get a 2x booster on a meme coin, which means, let's say average FT member is supposed to get, let's say 100 meme coins. Automatically, when you are in Whale Accelerator program today, you join today, we will double whatever we are supposed to airdrop the normal members. This is just to incentivize you and also to make sure you hold a bigger position in our meme coin project, being a Whale Accelerator program member. So we will take care of you like that. So it's very, very simple. This is our final recruitment before our Smart Money Concepts class, as well as our bull market blueprint class. So please make sure to join now, because this is our first season's pricing. So next season we'll definitely increase the price. All you need to do is scan the QR code here. Okay, and Whale Accelerator Program's mission is to get you to obviously be a high net worth whale in crypto circle. It's 1997 only. If you need to do payment plan, bank transfer, USDT payments, they are all available. Okay, you need any help in payment, you can contact our customer support team. If you can drop details into the chat, that will be really amazing. And then you guys can go join and let me know. Okay. Just simple. What is the due date registration for WAP? If you join today, you get the 3 days orientation program for Derek, because he's stressing that if the group is too big, it might take a very long time. So we need to limit it to a certain number of people by actually giving this to the people that joined today, as well as the 2x booster for meme coin. Okay, so all you need to do is click the link in the chat or scan the QR code. Okay, I'm sure you guys will have questions. You guys can ask me questions. I would love to answer your question. Okay, and you can let me know. Meanwhile, I'll scroll up and take a look at some of the questions. Okay, is this WAP suitable for zero knowledge like us? So yeah, if you're zero knowledge, Brandon, you need to go to the Derek's 3-day orientation. If still after 3 days you feel like, oh, I'm still very blurred, you need to let us know. I will need to pay special attention to you, which is completely fine. Because at the end of the day, I remember the first year of me in crypto, I was so blurred. I don't know mining and proof of stake and all this kind of stuff, and nobody was teaching me, right? And these things are a lot more important than the actual trading itself, because these are the things that can have exponential wealth creation for you. Sini asked, do you need 100K to get? No need. But my goal is to use Smart Money Concepts and bull market blueprint to get you to the 100K. Okay. I cannot attend the offline in Johor. Is there an online option? So we got so many people asking this, but if I want to make money off you, to be honest with you guys, okay, if you think that I'm trying to make money off you, I'm trying to sell you something and make a lot of money and then buy a Ferrari and buy a Lamborghini, right? I would sell you guys the online option, because I know a lot more people will be able to buy. Because we have members from Sweden, we have members from Germany, we have members from Australia, we have members from the UK, the US that are listening to this right now. They are asking for online options. I will make a lot more money. It'll help me get a new Ferrari, get a new Lamborghini, get a new whatever, right? But I can't. It's not ethically correct. Why? Because the bull market blueprint is designed to be experiential, which means you have to be there. There will be team activity, there will be group activities. I wish I can do online. It's cheaper for me. I don't need to fly to Johor. I don't need to do all this. It's easier for us. Costs are way lower too, if we want to make money. Because some people say, oh, you just want to try to make money, right? Then you need to think, why do we have to do an offline one? Why do I have to fly back to Johor? Not to Kid, but to Johor to do this, right? You have to think, right? Okay, let me see. Yes, can you bring a partner along? No, Chloe, you cannot bring a partner along. Okay, you cannot bring a partner along. Because seats are very, very limited. Okay? So for the people that are whitelisted, the people that are whitelisted only, right? If you are not whitelisted, please do not attempt to join. I don't think it's suitable for you. If you're whitelisted, you can join. It's just that simple. Okay? Yes, there's supposed to be a sharing session later, but I decided to change things a little bit. So we are canceling the sharing session later. This is what you're going to be getting about Whale Accelerator program. You can go straight away, just join it. And then we will go look at some charts. We'll do some live trading in about 10 minutes time. Okay. We'll cap it off with that opportunity, because I heard that Bitcoin is dumping. Is it? Not really dumping also? Okay. Brendan, you have to contact our team. Yeah. You have to contact our team. So we'll take like another like 10 minutes to go through this. If you guys have any questions related to smart money concepts, bull market blueprint. So the next 30 minutes, I will use this time to actually go open some charts. We'll see what are the opportunities there. And then we will go and see if there's any live trading opportunity. And then we use what we learned today and then we trade. Need to prepare how much for WAP. Okay. So for WAP, once you're inside the WIC, which is the whale inner circle, where you get deals, every deal is different. Some are small deals, some are big deals. A tier is a big deal. So A tier, I'll be very honest with you. They give us an allocation of about 250,000. Okay? 250,000. And we were like, it's not enough. Because I have one guy that wants 100,000. Right? How am I gonna I also want to buy in. How can you only give me 250,000? They say, well, Desmond, we don't need you. Right? We our partners are Nvidia, Qualcomm, right? You are Future Trends and Qualcomm is very far apart. Okay, let's be honest, guys. We're very realistic, right? At Future Trends, we'll be very, very realistic. Okay, so because of that, what do we do? Okay, what do we do? You have to prepare the money based on the allocation that is on a project basis. So some projects you can invest maybe just a few thousand is enough, right? Some projects maybe need more, 10,000, 15,000, right? So it really depends on the project. If no join WAP, cannot join SMC, no. It's a whole bundle, it's a whole package, okay? Because I just don't have the time to be doing SMC way too much as a separate class. I hope you guys understand, okay? Yep, any other questions, you can let me know. Is there any alternative date for bull market blueprint? Currently, no, but we will likely do another one, maybe closer to the end of the year. So you can let me know, and then we will join there. We'll let you know then. Okay. If I can't attend, can I join the next one? Yes. If there's once we plan the next one, we'll let you know. Brendan, yes. Yes. Possible to join the SMC bootcamp only. Right now it's a bundle thing. We don't have a separate thing. It's a bundle thing. Okay. Cannot access payment page. You might have to click the link in the chat. Okay, you might have to click the link in the chat. Oh yeah, the page you are looking for does not exist. Maybe team, y'all can revise the link. The link seems to have a bit of an issue. Yeah, the link seems to have a bit of an issue. How do we get the alerts for project calls? So we have a private WhatsApp group for that. Okay, the private WhatsApp group is very, very straightforward. It doesn't have any chats or anything like that. You just share deals. If you want, you just let me know how much you want to invest. That's it, right? Okay. Some people are sending to me that some people are sending to me that the link has issue. Okay, I don't know if my team can go check it out. Okay. Okay. If after join WAP, then can invest A tier? No, I'm sorry. A tier's round is closed, right? A tier's round is closed. I also would love for you to join in, because then, this is a strong project. We can probably do very well together. It benefits me to have you in, but A tier doesn't allow, because every single time I open up A tier's round, we open it one time extra. We actually top out 250K to close to $500,000 now. It get bought up very, very fast. It get bought up very, very fast. It's not that I don't want you to be in. It's I have no choice. Okay, so you will be investing in the next round. So the next round would be the next project. Okay, not the next round, the next project. Okay, do let me know if you guys have any question. If you need payment plan, you can contact our team. We'll just talk about this for another 4 minutes, and then we go to the charts. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the charts first. Okay. On the Whale Accelerator program, is it lifetime benefit? Yeah. Currently it's lifetime. We're not like trying to sell you a rebill or something like that. You can see that. Okay. 2 days bull market blueprint. As you can see, this is what you get. The booster, 3 days orientation. The dates are here, 13, 15 May, right? 8:30 to 9:30. Okay. What is the other benefit apart from being listed here? It's all being listed there. Okay. It's all being listed there. The key thing here you all need to understand is the fact that you have these are the 5 things you will get. Obviously, you get added into the WhatsApp group with all the early stage deals. Okay. How about A tier edge notes only open to WAP and WIC members? Steven, do you want to buy the notes? Okay. That actually, as you're talking about this, right? Sanjay from Atia H, which is the project leader for Atia H, just texted me. See what he says. Where's the text? Let me see. He just says thanks. Okay. Yeah, Atia H notes, I'll let you know, but just curious, yes. If you guys have an opportunity to be a reseller for Atia H, how many of you would be interested? Reseller, which means, let's say you can buy the machine for $500 and then you can sell for $1,000, something like that. Would you be interested? Just curious. Okay. If yes, that's something that we will arrange for WAP members. Okay. But the Edge itself, anyone can buy Edge. It shouldn't be a problem. Just now you mentioned you need to prepare an amount for WAP. May I know roughly how much I need to prepare to? No need to prepare anything right now. You look at the deals first. Don't worry about the amount first. Okay, my recommendation is you go in, you look at a certain deals. Of course, sometimes you get like some really good deals like A tier coming in. That's when you decide how much you want to invest. We will mention it in the terms because every deal is different. For example, let's say it's a small deal. The small deal, let's say like Baby Shark, right? You can invest 1,000 also can, right? That's Baby Shark universe. For like A tier, the minimum is 10,000, right? For A tier, right? So that's something that you can play as well. It really depends on your size. Everybody's ticket size is different, and there's no minimum ticket size to be a part of this. Where is the venue at JB? The venue will be sent to you. I don't think it's comfortable for me to say this because I don't want people that are not registered showing up and then having some conflicts later. So let's just say that it's in a good place. Okay, in a really, really good place. Okay. If you guys have any questions, do let me know. We have 1 more minute and then we will continue on with the class today. Okay. Payment not going through. For payment not going through, you will definitely need to contact our customer support. Our customer support link is in the chat as well. Please contact our chat. When will this offer end? Obviously, if you join today, you get the 3 days orientation and then you get the 2x booster. The offer ends. Actually, you need to contact our team. Then they'll arrange for you. Okay, Sarah, you need to contact our team. Okay. Yes, you need to be whitelisted. Okay, you need to be whitelisted. Okay, good. Okay, I think you guys get all the link. You guys get everything, which is fantastic. Joining WAP meaning will be WIC2. Okay, this is where you need to understand. Okay, so when you are in WAP, your goal is to build up 100K fund. Your goal is to build up a savings of 100K for investment. Once you have the 100K, you can join WIC for free. WIC is completely free if you have 100K. You get it? So WAP is to help you get to WIC where you need 100K to prove to be inside. Otherwise, it's too risky for you to go inside. Okay? Payment issue, yeah, please contact our team. How do I know if I'm whitelisted? Please contact our team as well. Okay, this is really, really important. We'll talk more about this later on. Okay, it seems like a lot of people keep asking questions about the very basic stuff that we already covered. I think because too much information, I totally get it, right? So let me say that again. WAP, World Accelerator Program's job is to get you to be a 100K guy, to have 100K US dollars so that you can invest in WIC's project, right? So when you're in WAP, you need to work hard to get to 100K. Once you have 100K, we add you into WIC because otherwise the WIC group will have a bunch of people inside and then a lot of people no money, cannot invest. And it's a waste of time for us to answer every question related to the deal, right? The moment you have 100K, then you will be automatically, we'll add you into the WIC. Just that simple. Will there be portfolio management and guide to support us to ensure to achieve 100K? Yes, it will be in the bull market blueprint itself. Okay, I already have 100K, so can be accepted WIC. Yes, Sally, correct. Once you're in WIP, yes. WIC can invest in the early seed project. Yes, correct. Okay. All right, cool. Cool. Okay. Let me see. Will someone coach me to reach 100K? I don't know what's your definition of coaching. If one-on-one coaching, we don't have time, right? If it's one-on-one coaching, it's going to be very, very difficult, mainly because I don't know what you don't know, right? So one-on-one coaching is going to cost you a lot more because you have to understand as a trader, right? We are full-time trader. The moment we take away time from trading, we lose money, we lose opportunities. So if you would like to get coached, you can let us know as well. I can see what I can prepare for you, but Bull Market Blueprint is a group coaching, is a group class, not so much a personal coaching. I just want to make sure the expectation is correct. WAP to WIC 100K club is entirely free and inclusive. Yes. So very simple. You join WAP, we try to get you to 100K. If you already have 100K, you automatically upgraded into WIC, which is World Inner Circle, where inside you get access to the early deals. Now, WAP's goal is to get you to 100K, where you can now join WIC. Make sense? WIC is where you get the early stage deals. Okay? Because if you don't have 100K proof of fund, it's way too early for you to invest in early stage deals because you have to understand that the early stage deals for the first year, for the good deals like A tier, you have no liquidity, which means you cannot sell the position, right? What would the average wallet size to be able to start WAP to reach 100K? To be honest with you, it's hard to say because everyone is looking for the answer. How can I get from this to that, right? What is that this? For example, right? If you have been farming some tokens that I've been telling you, or even some tokens that are coming up that I want to, that's why I started the airdrop channel in the Discord as well. Some of these farming activities can make you thousands of dollars. And if this farming activity makes you thousands of dollars, for example, yeah, E5. I tell you guys to go for E5. A lot of people ignore me, didn't want to listen, because you think it's difficult. You like the easy one like Gummy, right? So the tough one like E5, personally, I make about $2,000 from there. So if you make I actually make more than $2,000 from there, right? So let's just say that I make $2,000 from there. Okay, doing almost nothing, right? Just basic stuff, just testing that protocol, testing that network. That $2,000 can go very far in helping you to get to $10,000, and then go on and on and on and on and on, right? So just like that. Okay. There's some funny question coming in. If 100K is in my father's wallet but not mine, can I join WIC on behalf and invest in early deals? Is your father the investor, or are you the investor? That is the question. Okay, that is the question that you need to answer. Okay. WIC need to attend this WAP program? Yes, of course. Then okay. So let's say if you give me 100K proof of fund, you say, okay, Desmond, I don't want to waste time. I don't want to go to this bull market thing. I don't want to go to this SMC thing. I just want to be part of WIC straight away. It's no problem for that. But the issue is that you will ask us a lot of questions that doesn't make sense. For example, right? If you ask us about vesting, if you ask us about unlocks, if you ask us about all this kind of stuff, let's say if the price goes down and you ask us how come the price goes down, you don't understand all of this because you didn't come to bull market blueprint. It is very frustrating to us because our job in the WIC, it's not to coach you. It is to actually give you the deals. The coaching happens in WAP. You get what I'm saying? The teaching starts in WAP. So we need to make sure WAP is to prepare you for WIC, if that makes sense. Okay? Yeah. If got 100K in stock market, can join also. So this is where me and John have a little bit of different thoughts. I personally don't think so. I don't think you're as liquid as you think, unless the stock market is US stocks. But we can make exception for that, Wake It. Okay, but we're fine with that. As long as it's a liquid stocks, I think it's fine. If it's illiquid, I get a little bit scared because if a deal comes and then I need to wait for you to liquidate your stocks, and by the time your stock liquidate, things already moved, then it's very, very difficult, right? So just I prefer dry powder. Okay. Let's say my crypto wallet is 20K, my saving 50K, NFT 40K, 10K, the rest. Yeah, NFT is not liquid. Okay. Then SAMS is okay. SAMS is okay. Okay. Blueprint session include accommodation. Need to pre-plan? No. Okay, just the actual workshop itself. Okay. Okay. And meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, you can refer to my team. I think we'll be glad to answer questions. Meanwhile, if you guys have any questions related to today's session, let me know. Any chat requests also can let me know. We can start looking into this while answering some questions, just so not to waste any time. Okay. 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 ORN. Okay. What do you want to do with ORN? Just okay. Nothing much is happening here. Yeah. So it's just at a support level right now. We can see there's a strong support. The moment it hits down, the buy up is very strong. Okay, buy up is very, very strong. Let me take a quick look. There's nothing to trade here actually. Nothing much to trade here. So I wouldn't open a trade for ORN right now. Let me know what are you looking at. There's nothing much to play here. You need to wait for the thing to play out. There's not much movement here that I need to pay attention to. Okay. It's good if you can run a class to teach us how to get airdrops. Not possible. It's not possible because every airdrop project is different. For you guys to farm airdrop, right? To be honest with you, you need to use your brain. You need to think. Because I see some of the questions that is in Discord, some of you guys are not willing to think. You guys are just trying to figure out by asking, right? Which is not wrong, but the thing is that airdrops projects, each project is different, right? Each project have different protocol and different technology. So how you do it is different. So it's not like one process can conquer all, right? You need to be, for example, even like the Grass. I thought the Grass was very simple. You just download the extension, and a lot of people are asking me how to download the extension. How come I cannot download the extension on Safari? How come it must be Google Chrome? And I have to answer all these kind of questions. So you have to understand how frustrating it is for me. So, right? So the thing that you have to understand is that AirDrop is something that we will put the alpha into the Discord. It is for people that are willing to do the homework to go do the work. Okay. If you're one of those people that need to be told what to do, it's going to be very, very challenging. Okay. Because every project is different. Every token is different. So every token and every project have their own AirDrop processes. For instance, like Gummy is very different than Grass. Grass is very different from Uprock. You understand what I'm saying? The steps are different. So I will try my best to put the step-by-step into the Discord, right? But it definitely requires time. So we'll try our best to see how we can do that. Okay. ENA 4-hour chart, is it bullish? Okay. Yes, bull market blueprint. Currently, we have only one plan for one date for now. But we will plan another one once the time is right. Because planning an event is a lot of work. And this event, we will have some top-notch people coming in. Because I don't know what you guys don't know. I'm scared that you guys think that the bull market blueprint will be like a seminar, will be like those seminar where they bring like another guru to come and talk. The people that we're bringing are not gurus. They are not teachers. They are not like speakers. These are real project owners. These are real proper people, which they don't come to these kind of events very often. Okay. So if you miss it, you'll probably never see them ever again. You understand what I'm saying? Because some of you carry that mindset because you attend so many seminars, right? You go to seminars and then they bring other gurus to come and then they sell courses, right? It's not like that. This is not like that at all. Because Future Trends has never been a seminar company. So don't mistaken that, right? The speakers that are coming in that we invited, the guests that we're inviting to come in, right? Like Atia, these are not selling you a course, okay? Very important. Sharon, yes, absolutely, no problem. Okay, ENA, let's look at the 4-hour chart. Is it bullish? 4-hour chart. Is it bullish? It's forming definitely a very strong support on the 4-hour here. Is it bullish? I think the right answer to that question is going to be not yet. Looking at this, not yet. Okay, not yet. We wait for a boss to form first. There's no boss. Okay, the massive price drop is here. So the real bullish energy is going to come the moment it has punches through. It has come up here. Okay, taken out this supply zone. So this is what I call in SMC, right? Bootcamp. It has to get out of here, and then we have a bullish pattern. Right now, it does not have a bullish pattern. Okay. Tan Ming An was I'm newbie. May I know what is your portfolio or coin I can buy or hold for long term? Please advise. I have a lot of coins. So one day I'll consolidate my portfolio. Okay, and I'll put it in the Discord because there's no. If I talk about it now, it'll be another 2-day class. Okay. ENA is so basically in short, it's not bullish. Okay. True. True 1-day chart. Wait. True 1-day chart. Okay. So let's see what is the trick here. So we see one thing here. We're using what we learned, right? We have this thing here, a trend line. Do we have a parallel channel here? Do we have a parallel channel here? Right? We don't have, right? Because you see, such a big liquidity grab here. However, right, this is a good sign. That means this price is going to break out soon. Okay. What I'm seeing here is that we need to go wait for this chart. We need to go wait for this chart. It is a DCA pattern right now, which means it's good to DCA in this area. What I would probably do is I'll open a parallel channel here just to get a bit of an idea what price I should DCA, right? You can see there's a huge wick here, come down here, okay, huge liquidity purge here, and then now it stay up here. So if it goes down here again, I'll probably buy some, okay, and then wait for it to go up. Okay, TrueFi. So we wait for TrueFi. This is gonna be a spot play, cannot trade Foxy. Okay, if you guys have a question with my analysis, you let me know. Wow. Okay, Foxy. Oh yeah, Foxy, I remember this. This is the linear token. Okay. Wait, nothing is happening here. There's nothing happening here. Am I looking at the right chart? Let me see. Can hold. I mean, yeah, Foxy can hold. Linear has not launched yet, right? Foxy is a long-term hold. It's not yet. It's a high standard meme. Level. Level, what's the question again? Let me see. Level does look like a cup and handle for me a 4-hour chart. Not really a cup and handle, but we wait. We wait for it to form a proper handle. There was no proper handle here. We wait. Level is too early. Everyone wants to see my DCA and spot, huh? Okay, I'll find time together for you guys. It's just that I need time together. Okay, I have but I can tell you about 25% is Ethereum. That's something that I maintain at all times. 25% Ethereum. And my biggest holding right now, I think top 5, right? Besides Ethereum is, let me think, was Ondo, FTM, Render, Neo Protocol, and what's the other one? Let me see. Since so many people want to find out what's my top holdings, huh? Give me one moment, because my coins are all over the place, not in one exchange. And Ethena. Then number 6 is Albeef. 7 is Pendle. 8 is Sui. Okay, and then the rest are all small positions. Yeah, small positions. Arrow. I guess these are medium position. Arrow, Zeus, Velo, Polkadot from a long time ago. My Trump surprisingly has gone up. Yeah, Trump. Yeah, Rune. Rune is Thorchain. These are all medium position. That's basically it. The rest are quite insignificant. Pendle is also medium position now because I've been DCAing the Pendle. Okay, I think that's basically. One day I'll just summarize everything, okay, into one list like Jonathan did, so that you guys can get a bit of a better idea as well. Okay, gaming coins like Gala, Mana, Sand, worth buying long term. Not for me. Not for Gala, maybe Gala, yes. Mana and Sand, I'm quite bearish because of fundamentals. But I might be wrong, yeah. Because I don't research this a lot. In fact, I don't waste time with gaming because I have very limited time. I need to pick my fight. I've been looking at Gala for a very long time because technically it's forming. You take a look at this. Let me know what you guys see here. EA-wise, right, is forming something that's quite interesting, right? This is actually quite a bullish pattern, but it came back down. You see, it came back down because of fundamental reasons, right? Because of fundamental reasons. So we wait. I would say we wait first. I want it to be building a solid, okay, BOS and chalk around this area. Then we only enter Gala. Right now, Gala is too early. There's nothing in Gala. Okay. AR 4-hour chart. Okay, some people are asking for when can we sign up for the WAP? It's today, guys. It's today. Obviously, I'm making this presentation for you guys today, right? Because if you wait, I cannot prepare, and I need to be able to prepare the numbers of people. I need to prepare all the materials. Otherwise, you come without materials, you're gonna be shortchanged. Okay, double top on the top. Okay, what do you see here? With 4-hour chart. Okay, so we look into the day chart. We get the idea. Now we go to 4 hours. Let me see where is the cup and handle. This one. Okay, cup with 2 handles. Okay. Actually, you have to understand, Albeef is ranging in this box right now. Okay. And you can see at the bottom here, right? There's a lot of taps. These taps are good news. These taps basically means there are people buying quietly and slowly without spiking the price. So, but remember, yeah, Bitcoin, if it drops, this thing is also going to be affected. But if we purely look at TA, if Arweave creates a chalk above this, because there's a massive drop here, it creates a chalk here, basically creating a price above this line, it means it's gaining strength. Then I need another boss to come, then it's good. Right now, it's no good. Right now, it's no good. Nothing good yet. Okay? So we wait. Arweave, we're waiting. ETH5 long-term hold. Yes, we don't have online class for bull market blueprint. I'm sorry. It's just not possible. We needed to do it offline so that you guys get the experiential ways of learning. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult for you to learn, because Jonathan and I, we want to be covering things like the tokenomics and also, the fundamental of the token. What is the token? Because some of you still don't know what's a layer 2, layer 3, right? So this is what's going to be covered in the bull market blueprint, and I don't foresee it being able to be done online at all. ETH5, long-term hold. Yes, long-term hold. Okay, long-term hold is good. Okay, this chart pattern is good for long-term hold. JTO, what would be your advice if still trade? Now, just now it's short. I'm not shorting so much in this market. JTO. Okay, first thing first. JTO, we go to a day chart. Look at day chart. Okay, day chart is going through this pattern. Actually, right, if you go through this pattern, you can trade on the trend line if you want to, which is basically it goes down here, then you can long. Well, you are asking me to see 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Okay, right here. Oops. Wait. 3, 2, 1, 3. 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, around here. So let me zoom in and see what's happening in there. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely a long is better than short. I don't think a short makes sense. I don't know where you see a short. Unless I'm mistaken, I don't see any short opportunity at all. You see, it is coming down, downtrend, stop, and then now it's trying to form a chalk. So it forms a chalk. If it forms a chalk, great. If it doesn't form a chalk, we cannot do anything. There's nothing to do here. Okay. What's your average price for Ethereum? About 2007, 2006. Because I'm still buying every day. I'm still buying Ethereum every single day. Okay. And my average price is going up because of freaking recently we bought a lot more. Okay. Popcat. Okay, let's look at Popcat. Ooh. Okay, what do you want me to see on Popcat? Okay, based on what we learned, what do? We draw the trend line at the bottom. Okay, see that? We connect all, then we get an idea. Things is moving up. Popcat is still bullish. So when do we long? We wait for it to touch around this trend line area, we're long. Use basic DA. There's nothing much to play here. Just basic DA. If it touches the line here, we long like this. Okay, we long like this. Stop loss at the swing low here. Okay, just like that. Simple trade. Popcat. Gaming coins very low. Yes, I understand, but some things are low for a reason. Okay. Okay, this one. You see? This is exactly what I said. Supply zone here, right? Touches the supply zone, come back down. Not a good trade. Polix skip. Okay. Yes, so SMC Bootcamp is more TA. Then bull market blueprint is more fundamental. You get what I'm saying? And you need to mix both. You need to mix both so that you don't get wick. You don't get like randomly attacked by the whales. Okay. Let me just take a quick look. How to juggle a lot of things. Okay, some people are asking if you already have 100K, should you still join WAP. Yes, you need to, because as I mentioned, okay, so this is the very annoying thing that I foresee will happen. Have not happened yet, but I foresee will happen. If I just let anyone with 100K to come in, and then you invest in anything you like without doing the fundamental research, and then let's say the deal doesn't work out, then it becomes my problem. Even though I told you that I am not going to be investing in this, but I'm bringing this to you just in case you want, right? Because you don't have the ability to analyze it, because you need to analyze it yourself, because it's your money, guys. It's your money. You understand what I'm saying? So you have to come to WAP. You have to come to BNB, especially bull market blueprint. Very, very important, right? So, like example, I brought the Baby Shark deal. One thing I realized is that John was the one that realized this. Everyone wanted to invest in the Baby Shark. Then John realized something wrong with the project, because he had the fundamental analysis knowledge, right? So, and then we stopped everyone from investing. But if you just blindly invest because we invested, it's very easy to con you, basically. Our job is not to con you. Our job is to help you. That's why we need you to go through BNB first, right? This is very, very important, okay? Because I see a lot of people asking, can I skip to the WAP to join WIC? Okay, Solana, what do you want me to see? Solana, analyze. Yeah, bearish, nothing much. Bearish, but let me see. Yeah, bearish. It's a hard trade. This is a quite hard trade. I would avoid this for now. Solana, I will avoid this. I will not trade this. Okay, say. Okay, say. Let me see. Say. Okay, say can scalp. You can scalp say, but you cannot swing trade say, because the trend is quite weak. So your goal is to just long it a little bit. The maximum is your exit here, right? So this is a bullish trade, but it's a bit of a short trade. So you're not taking big profit as well. Maybe you earn 10, 20, 30%. I have to say it's good. The I Desmond, oh my God, this guy is sending me all this. I don't know what's the ERC. I don't invest in SAND. Who asked you to invest in SAND? We at Future Trends, right? We actually quite bearish on SAND for a very long time. Polygon, I exited Polygon already. I told you I exited at $1.2. Mana, also I'm not invested in. ENJ, I'm not invested in. GOTS, I'm not invested in. DOT, I'm still invested in because DOT 2.0 is coming up. I am investing in DOT. AVAX, I have diverse. I've actually sold AVAX at a profit, mainly because I am too deep into chains. I have too many positions in chain. I have Thor chain. I have Sui. I have Solana. I have Ethereum, right? And I'm basically through Aerodrome. I'm also invested in Base. I got too much, so I diverse from AVAX. So yeah, okay. AVAX I sold, but good project. But this one you might want to ask Jonathan more because he's much more familiar with AVAX. Corti, good project, but the market maker is not responding. Corti, good project. If it's very, very cheap, can consider buying more. I'm still holding Corti though. I know it's a layer 2 now. I'm still holding, but I think I bought quite high, somewhere around in the middle here. But if it can go up, great. I'll look into it. Corti a bit later. XRP, Jonathan's favorite coin, in a sarcastic way, right? Okay, let me rephrase that. Basically, XRP, we're not a big fan of XRP. Just huge selling pressure. Okay, Ling, I start to sold positions already, as I mentioned in Discord. I start to diverse a little bit, mainly because it's moving like a stable coin. Okay, Popcat, covered that already. Spot holding. Ling is good project, but the price is not moving, which is annoying, right? Okay, BECT is asking, hi Des, how come I sometimes see a few chalk but no boss on some charts? Very, very simple, because the market volatility is causing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Cannot trade. Okay, I mean, not cannot trade, no confirmed trade. There are a lot of high risk trade, very little, very few low risk trade. Okay, is Zeus worth holding for spot? Yes. Okay, Zeus I like, but need time. Zeus is either going to be fantastic project or it's going to be a dog shit project. Okay. So, but sometimes you need to take that kind of risk. Popcat is bullish. Yes. Venri. Okay. Venri. Okay. Some people are asking question, where can I contact about the WAP? A team, if you guys can help me drop the WhatsApp link again, it will be really, really appreciated. Then you guys can ask in terms of the payment arrangement, because some of you want to pay in USDT, which is completely fine as well, but you need to talk to Alex, our team member, right? And he will help you guys. Okay, he'll help you guys. You can also call Alex, Habibi Alex. Okay, Habibi Alex. Maybe Alex will send you his picture in Habibi outfit. Because when they're all in Dubai, all of them bought Habibi outfit, and they wear the Habibi outfit better than me wearing it. So, okay. Okay, let's go to Venri. Venri, great project, a lot of good news. You see, a lot of great news. Descending triangle, or it forms. Okay, this is another chart pattern that is quite common. A descending triangle is when the support level is the same. So this is very different than bull flag. Okay, this is a descending triangle. You see that? So a bull flag is like this. Okay, a bull flag is like this. Okay, like this. Okay, this is bull flag. Okay, bull flag is like this. It looks more like a flag. You understand? This is a triangle. A triangle is like this. If you understand, can you all let me know in the chat? I just want to double check, because I don't know if you guys are still listening to me. Okay, this is a descending triangle. This is a bearish pattern. Boom, go down. Okay, I have a small position in Venri because I saw there's a lot of good news about Venri. I thought maybe they will know how to hype up the project. Guys, but you win some, you lose some. You cannot win every single time. So this one I'm still holding because I do think that maybe when the AI narrative come back, it might be good. My suspicion is based on this pattern, right? It might form something like this, okay? And then retest this area and then flies. I do think this can be like I do think this is a 70 cents, 80 cents type of coin. Okay, I do think there's potential there. I don't know how big you guys' position is. My position is small, bit to medium. So it's still okay. It's still okay, right? I wouldn't sell this yet. I do think that there's too much selling here. Okay, based on smart money concepts, this thing will come up. It's a matter of time. The only thing that TA cannot tell you in terms of from smart money perspective is we don't know how long this will take, right? It could be tomorrow, flies up like this. It could be next year, flies up like this. It could be next month, flies up like this. I don't know, right? But I do know that this causes imbalance in smart money concepts. This is called imbalance. There is an opportunity for the price to revisit this area. So if you want to sell Venri because you bought Venri very high, then you can sell around this area to liquidate some. Right now, don't sell. It's at the bottom now. Okay. However, if you have confidence in this project, Vanna Chain, you think that this is something that can go far, hold it. Okay. PAL, I'm still holding. Okay. Link. Oh, so many people ask about Chainlink, huh? Do you guys get bright from? Are you guys working for Chainlink or something? Hey, you all work for Chainlink? Can you guys let me know if you can get Chainlink's management team to speak at Bull Market Blueprint? So many of you are asking Chainlink. Oh my goodness! Wow, why? Oh my god! Hey, you got. Whoa, what the heck? It's crazy. Okay, Jane was telling me that some of you guys thought you need to pay 100K to Future Trends to invest into the early deal. Hey, no, okay. Sorry, it must be my explanation. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm as I told you again, I'm mentally incapable. I'm not neurotypical, which basically means that I have ADHD, I have autism. It's very, very difficult for me to think like a normal person. So let me just re-explain this. Whale Accelerator program today is only 1997. You join 1997 into Whale Accelerator program, you get access to, the first thing that you do is you get the 3 days with Derek, where you go through all the fundamentals, unlocks, what's token terminal, what's certic, what's cybersecurity or audits, things like that, the basic stuff. Once the basic stuff is settled, you come to Bull Market Blueprint, you learn from Jonathan and I, you learn what is a good project, what is a bad project. Okay, then you come to SMC Bootcamp, you see how whales manipulate your trade, manipulate the price, all this kind of stuff. Once that is done, right, Then you look into your bank account, you look into your crypto wallet. Do you have 100K? Let's say yes. Then we put you into our private WhatsApp group where you get all the deals, early stage deals. Okay. If no, you don't have 100K, let us know. We have a room in Discord just for Whale Accelerator program. We work together to help you to get to 100K. Okay, so that the goal is to get you into the Whale Inner Circle, which is WIC. Am I making sense? Okay, am I making sense? I'm sorry, like maybe because me and Jonathan, we came from Dubai, we're still jet lagged, we're still exhausted, we're still having like trauma from the flood, or maybe the flood somehow lowers our IQ. So we especially me, maybe I didn't explain so well. Okay, but hopefully I explained well now. So you don't need 100K to join WAP. WAP's job is to help you to get to 100K. Then once you have 100K, you join WIC, which is free, okay, for WAP members. Okay, what does a Terbalik? Okay, Terbalik means inverse, right? Flag looks like, okay, like this. Okay, like this. This is not very good, this type. Okay, this one will go down. Okay. Okay, a lot of people ask about Chainlink. Don't know why. I think you guys are paid by Chainlink for free advertisement here in Future Trends. I'm not sure how it works. Chainlink will come back up. Okay. Actually, right, if you want an honest opinion, the thing is I'm very biased because I bought Chainlink and I'm very disappointed with Chainlink. I bought Chainlink around this area, $14, $15 around here. I sold at $20 and I thought I'm a genius. And then it came back down. Now I'm thinking, looking at the chart. To be honest with you guys, this is accumulation zone. And I can see smart money is buying. I don't know why, but they're buying. Okay, they are really buying. I don't know why they're buying so long. Yeah, they are definitely buying. So they're definitely buying. So smart money is buying, which means it might not be a bad idea to DCA into this. But what price you DCA is very important. So I would DCA in this box area. So this box is 13, so $13.5. I'll start buying at that price. Every time you hit that price, ping, ping, I'll buy. Let's say my budget is $1,000. I'll put 5 trades, 5 limit orders, every time 15, 13.5, 13.4, 13.3. I'll just go buy around this region. This chart is looking good. However, yeah, no, however, I don't think it's going to collapse. This support is way too strong. It needs a very bad news, like get sued by the SEC, get sued by the government for it to come down here, which at the time, what I would do is I will put a conditional sell order here. So let's say I DCA in this area, okay, spot, we're talking spot, okay, DCA in this area, I buy, and then suddenly, let's say it gets sued by SEC or the US government, it goes all down, I will look to sell at about $10, maybe $11. I'll sell at $11. Okay, once it reach $11, I'll sell everything and take the loss. Okay, because the next level you go is all the way down to 7.5, too far. So the margin is too high for me to lose. So I will do that strategy if that makes sense to you guys. Okay. TRX USDT 1 hour ascending triangle. TRX, I don't trade TRX too manipulative, even because smart money is one thing. TRX is owned by Justin Sun, who is the smartest of smart money. So I just have a rule. I will never touch Tron. Okay, sorry, I will never touch Tron. Okay, Brett. You all saw my post about Brett in the chat, in the Discord. If yes, type in yes in the chat. I'll type in Brett in the chat so I know we are yesing the right thing. Do you guys see? No, nobody see my Brett. That's very sad. Brett USDT is pumping again, or is it starting to dump? Okay, let's take a quick look. Okay. Let's take a quick look, yeah. Okay, wait, give me 1 second. You can see this area, supply zone. Okay. Why is this chart so weird? Oh, this is not, is this the right bread? I need a longer historical bread. This bread is, the chart is too new. Okay. This is better. Trying to form a change of character. There is no boss. It's not bullish yet. Wait. Okay. May I ask if Kari me below 199 say, Joey, you need to talk to our team, please. Because these kind of things, I think Habibi Alex will be a better consultant for you for this. Okay. Link can do DCA, yes, but at the support line. Joey, yes, you need to contact our team. Yeah, you need to contact our team. Okay, so they can make the specific arrangement. Okay. All right. Stock and Moon. Okay, I don't like stock chain. Okay, I know a lot of people disagree with me, but I don't like stock chain. Okay. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is what Vana Chain is going to go. Vana Chain is going to have the same movement. Why? Because if you practice smart money concept, you know this is guaranteed to happen. So now the supply zone is here. It's coming up. Tap it, come all the way down. Stock chain is very, very bad right now. And I do believe stock chain has an unlock, isn't it? Or has it happened already? Let me see. Okay. Stock chain. Sure. So I know John used the other one, drop stat, which is fantastic. I love that as well, but I have old habits. Okay, stock chain. When's the next unlock? In 16 days, there will be a 8.79% unlock. So this thing is going to have selling pressure. I don't hold stock anymore. That's why I sold it at like 7% profit or something like that, right? Moon. Oh, this one I don't know. Moon. What is this? Is it a shitcoin? Are you trying to get me to research some shitcoin? Moon. I don't know Moon. Oh shit! What kind of coin movement? Okay, this one cannot trade. Yeah. This cannot trade. I don't know what this is. Okay. Where did you find this? Anyone here know any Moon? The only Moon I know is Moonface. Oh, I guess you guys haven't heard the moon face joke, because that was in the Chinese. Oh, it's an ordinals coin. Okay. Is this the same moon? I don't even know. Oh, it's not the same moon. Yeah, I don't know this. I wouldn't trade something I don't know. Ladies, goodbye. Nope. Ladies is a proxy for women. Not a big fan of ladies, to be honest. I don't trade ladies, to be honest. I also don't think it's goodbye. There's better meme coins out there. I think that meme coins like Foxy are better than ladies. Foxy actually is supported by a company. Ladies are just supported by a bunch of don't know what. Okay. So ladies, no, I'm not a big fan of ladies. Can you take a look at GMRX? Garmin, right? I already took a look at it just now. Okay, or Garmin. Nothing happened here. Are they good to keep? Yes, I mean, good technology. EFI, good technology. EFI especially is very good technology. Not a big fan of good to keep means you already buy, right, Amy? So yes, I will keep it. Okay, if you're talking about keeping, yes. If I would buy now, no, not yet. Okay. Meaning can short stock. I will not short stock. Okay, because sometimes people know that a lot of people are shorting the unlock. If you go short it, it might be very dangerous, especially in the bull market. Brett already talked about it. Okay, I already went through. Can you take a look at Doc Go to the Moon? What is Doc Go to the Moon? Okay, Doc Go to the Moon. Okay, this one. Okay. This one I know. Okay. Let me take a look. It's quite new, huh? Okay. Wonder if there's a chart for this. I don't think have. No, I don't think you can see a chart for this, right? I'll avoid if I can see it. Oh, it's a deck screener. Okay, it's on deck screener. So you want me to go to deck screener? Yeah, so if it's so this is a meme coin, I'm assuming. I've seen someone post this in Discord, right? Okay. Surprisingly, right, a lot of the meme coin actually follow DA, the basic DA. Is it this one? This one, right? Am I right? Let me know if I'm at the right place. Doesn't look like it. Is it this one? Price is different. Okay. Which one? So I'm looking for this one. I'm assuming this one. This one is liquidity $1 cannot be under pulse chains. Okay. If it's under pulse chain, then I need to go here. Okay. So is this a proxy for Richard Hart? Pulse chain. Don't see anything here. That is don't go to the moon. Maybe I go for volume. It must be one of the top volume, right? Otherwise, you guys won't be talking about it. No, either. What? What are you guys looking at? Is this on BigGet? Because it's showing it's not on BigGet though. It's not on BigGet. You give me the contract code. Give me the contract address, and then I will go and check it for you guys. Okay. Okay. Just a quick reminder. Meanwhile, you guys are checking the dog to go to the moon. I think dog go to the moon. You guys can put in the Discord, and then I'll take a look at it later, and I'll put it in the Discord. Just the last one for you guys because some people are asking about this already. Yes, we have plans to increase the price. The next round we offer this. So if you would like to maintain this price as well, you need to join today. You need to contact us today. And I just wanted to let you know that the event is happening in May. I want to make sure that you guys get in, including the 3 days orientation program, which Derek need to prepare. So if you are interested in being a part of this, you can scan the QR code just to remind, because a lot of people are confused, keep saying that you need 100K. You don't need the 100K to join. All you need to do is join, learn to accumulate to 100K. And then our goal is once you have 100K, you are part of Whale's Inner Circle, WIC WhatsApp group, and then you can see the deal. Okay, in fact, inside the Whale Inner Circle right now, we do have some really strong player inside. People that are doing really, really well, big bosses, and people that are throwing big money in there. So if you're interested, definitely let me know. Okay. Can we receive class in the future after we sign up? No. Right now, there is no plan for this. Maybe for Smart Money Concepts Bootcamp, yes. Maybe this can be done because it's online, but the bull market blueprint, I don't think can because there will be too much cost that we have to bear, right? Because it's all by per head. So Smart Money Concepts Bootcamp, yes, I'm willing to do that again. If you guys want to receipt, I'm completely fine with that. Okay. Yes, the link is in the chat. Okay, DJ is sending me the Gate.io link. Where are you guys trading on Gate.io? Yeah, okay, I'm seeing the chart right now. Man, this is stupid. But this dog go to the moon chart is quite bullish, But I don't dare to trade it because it's quite bullish. I will wait for change of character to come at 5-minute chart before I go in. Right now, let me just quickly share my screen if I can find. I think not many people will trade this, so I probably shouldn't spend too much time on this. But right now, this thing is quite bullish because it's formed this thing here, the ball, and then now it's going like this. This is weak selling. It will most likely pump up. But this is a meme coin at the end of the day. So I will always do the same thing, follow my rules. I will always, okay, I'll just draw I'll just draw a horizontal line here. Okay. You can see there's accumulation going on here. I don't know who's accumulating, but I'll wait for accumulation to be done, wait for a change of character, and then long. Okay. That's it. I wouldn't touch this too much. Is it easy to earn back the cost fee within 1 month, including 997, blah, blah, 997? Not easy for sure, to be honest with you. The reason why is because you have to work. You have to trade. You have to take action. Okay. you have to trade, you have to take action, and then you have to do all the airdrops if you want to. If money is a big concern right now, it seems like if you're asking this kind of question, right? Yeah, I definitely need you to be doing more airdrops soon. I'll be posting more airdrops soon when the better opportunity come. My only concern with airdrops is the fact that if I post too much in there, and then a lot of members get very confused, like the Gami situation, which I thought was very straightforward, but a lot of people got confused even worse. So I need to see what are the airdrops that are easier. But I will post more. That's why we started the airdrop channel as well. So for those of you who have limited budget, right, then the airdrop can actually help you guys build up the capital as well. Okay, can repeat. I hear wrongly. There's only smart money concept. Means what? Okay, smart money concept is what just now Ziyong is asking is the fact that, hey, can I receipt in the future if there's this again in the future? I said smart money concepts bootcamp. Yes, I can potentially arrange that. Bull market blueprint probably cannot because it's an offline class. Offline class can only see one time. Okay, just wanted to be clear. Okay, CK, I'll see you around soon. What is the timeline for WAP to achieve 100K? Actually, that's a very good question, but it's a question that I should ask you, not you ask me. Our goal is, of course, as fast as possible, but I don't know how fast you're going to be able to achieve it because I don't know you and I don't know your time. The only thing I can assure you is that we are using proven strategies to get to 100K. So the key here is very, very simple. You're going to have to use smart money concepts to trade much more carefully instead of random gambling, okay, on the chart. Second is, because now you have fundamental knowledge, you will be able to use that fundamental knowledge to analyze what coins are worth farming airdrops for. For example, okay, so some of you keep asking me, Desmond, how do you know Ondo is going to go up before you buy? How do you know if Dina is going to go up before you buy? How do you know to short wormhole before it launches? How do you know all this? Because of all fundamental knowledge, because I've studied the fundamental, I knew the fundamental before we continue on, and then I knew certain coins are going to collapse the moment they go on exchange. So some high conviction ones, I'll put a bigger budget onto this, okay? So that's how we do it. All right, we're almost reaching, I think, about 6:30 on your end. If you guys have any last questions, you all can let me know. I think I missed JJ Clay. Sorry about that. I can study. Oh my God, you want me to study so much? My goodness. How about we do it together? Okay. We take JJ as the last one because he's asking quite a lot of charts. I'll try. Layer AI. Okay, good project. Already have a product. Okay. But shit launch. Okay, so it's in accumulation mode, as you can see. Accumulation, nothing special to it. It's about DCA right now for Lai. Yeah, exactly what I said. It's DCA. It is potentially going to drop even further. But the way I see it, it's the furthest it will drop is here. So, but the upside is very high. There's still a lot of rooms to move to the upside, right? So the way I see it, right, the DCA region is going to be around this region. Okay, so I don't foresee it to drop even further than this because this is technically in the AI narrative. So the worst it can drop is this price point, which is 0.024. This is going to be the level that you want to DCA in. So the moment it drops here in the box, buy DCA. Okay, and then when the AI narrative comes back, it will form like this, and you start selling out. Okay, if you need to sell, if not, it should be able to stop around here, and then you take profit in this area if you are here for a trade. If you're here for investment, this is going to be a longer term play. Okay, NGL, Entangle, I am not invested, so I don't know much about this. This is Jonathan's call, I believe. Yeah, nothing much here to see. Downtrending, waiting for it to stabilize, which it has stabilized around this region. Okay, again, it's in an accumulation mode. It's a mode where you can actually DCA. Ref Finance. Okay, Ref Finance, I bought small position as a proxy to Neo Protocols. We're still waiting for the Neo Protocol pump. Right now, it's not there yet. So I'm holding on to this right now. Okay, the chart looks crazy. Look at this. Okay, nothing much to do. Hold. Okay, long term. If you believe in Neo Protocol, I am also invested in Neo Protocol. Okay, B5, we invested in this. This is not looking so good. Great project though. Okay, but because of the market coming down, that's why I said in the Discord, this is going to be a small position investment because due to the low conviction. Wait for it to bounce. Nothing much we can do here. B5 Labs is something that you want to hold. Great project, by the way, great project, great product, but sometimes product's not enough. You need more than that. Okay. Reserve rights, I'm also holding. Okay. Reserve rights, I'm also holding. Okay. Overall, this is strong, still uptrend if you think about it. Okay. Still very strong. Okay. If you ask me, if you have the budget, it depends on your RWA conviction, how committed you are to RWA. I like it. I like that it's around this area, so I can start accumulating every time it's touching my trend line. Okay. RSR, I did buy some. Now that you show me this, I think I want to go buy a little bit more. Decent project, but the issue is that there is another RWA that I want to buy, and I have limited budget, just like all of you. Okay, I'm not Dubai Habibi yet, so I don't have like the unlimited Rolls Royce, unlimited Ferrari yet. Okay, so reserve right, I like the project, but I prefer PEAQ. So when peak launch, I want to use my budget to buy peak instead. But if I have extra money, I'll go into RSR. Okay. So Sam said, okay, can you study Fed chart? Can TA we learned applicable to Shitcoin? Some, but not all. Okay, Fed chart. Nothing accumulation, nothing much also, same thing. Boring chart, nothing else to see. Okay, Zeus. Where people asking about Zeus? Yeah, Zeus is good. I believe Zeus is a good project. You see, it's broken support now. Now it's at the next support. So you wait. Okay. My Zeus position, I believe, is small just now. I saw small. Okay. But I would like to DCA more into this as well. Zeus quite strong project. But I want to wait for the product to come out first because they don't actually have a product yet. It's just an idea. Maybe that's why it's dumping. So when the product comes out, I will buy more. Okay. So so this is really decent project. BTC movement in the next 24 hours. Okay. Okay, we do until 30, okay? So now it's 26. Okay, if you asked me yesterday, I would have predicted it for you. You can see that. This was drawn yesterday, I believe. Not yesterday, a few days ago. Okay. As you can see here, it's playing exactly my game plan. Do you see? Playing exactly my game plan and then come down, right? So if you ask me what's my prediction for Bitcoin, I think it'll go up. Go up here and then come back down. I think it's zigzag around this area. Okay. So in short, some people call it sideways. But the way I see it, I will open you can potentially open a demand along from the demand zone. Okay. Maybe you can put like a 61K limit order long on Bitcoin. The moment it hits, boom. Yeah, then you catch it, then you make some money. Base AI and Pepe Coin, those coins are not TA related. Base AI is not, yeah. So Base AI, right, is one of those coins that you need to wait. This is not an instant thing. Because my buy price was around here, so you need to wait. It is much longer term. And this cannot trade anyway. It's an investment. Pepe Coin, I sold already. Pepe Coin. Okay. Pepe Coin is hanging around the golden zone, as you can see. Okay. Pepe Coin is one of those coins where either it will just collapse, go down all the way like bread, or it will fly and flip Pepe, right? So it depends on what's your conviction here. I personally will wait for the market to be a bit bullish before I go back into Pepe Coin. I've sold my Pepe Coin. I want you to know, right? I've sold my Pepe Coin. I am holding base because I have more conviction for base AI. Okay. May I ask, related privacy, Oasis price growth still in your view? I think Rose is one of the one that we wanted to get in, but it didn't get into a price that we wanted. Okay. Yeah, just no, I'll avoid them. Let me take a look. Yeah, the upside is I think there are better coins than this one, but For some reason, maybe let's say you have to trade this coin, you have to invest in this coin. I will buy lower around this area. Okay, maybe not here, nearer to the support. Okay. I would not, because I think this narrative is what? This privacy, right? You see, privacy is one of those narrative that has not really pumped yet. Okay. Yeah, privacy. So it's tricky. This is one of those things where you never know if the privacy narrative is going to come. I have not studied the privacy side enough to say I will personally not invest in Rose. Okay. After your sharing, I now finally see a light. I can be a millionaire at this bull run. See you at WAP. Oh, good. I'll see you in bull market blueprint as well. Good that you finally see light. I didn't know my name is Light, but okay, very good. That was supposed to be a stupid joke. Obviously, it doesn't work. Okay. Okay. So we're close. We're already at 6:30, and I know you guys. Some of you have dinner. Some of you have like plans. Some of you have family time. Some of you are like, "That's when you're bothering me. I cannot trade because you're talking most of the time. So annoying, right?" I totally understand that. Now, if you would still like to join WAP, you all have to continue to talk to my team, Mr. Habibi Alex. Okay, I think if you call him Habibi, he will treat you better as well. All you need to do is just go message him on WhatsApp, which the WhatsApp message has already been placed in the chat, right? And then you can deal with the registration part because my team will handle that completely from us. And then the more important thing that you have to understand is going to be the fact that at the end of the day, you want to get in this early because as Jonathan said yesterday, the market is going to go through a downtrend sideways period around this area here, around May, June, okay? And when it's there, you don't want to not make the move. You want to make the move then, not when everything is high. For example, you can see by the number of attendance of TIM. When the market is high, the price is all high, everyone wants to attend TIM. Everyone wants to attend TIM. They scold us because we don't send them the Zoom link and all this kind of stuff. Right? Even the people that don't understand Mandarin attended our TIM they don't understand Mandarin. But now, the attendance have dropped. Why? Because human being thinks like retail. You don't want to go in when it's high. You want to go in when people are fearful, people are not buying, then that's when you buy. Right? You look at where the chart is. Where is the smart money buying? Okay? Just to let you know, looking at Rose. Okay, looking at Rose here, I'll tell you whether the smart money is buying or not. I suspect yes, but let me take a look. Exactly. Those of you who attended my smart money class before, right? Smart money bootcamp class before, you take a quick look. If I draw like this, do you guys see? Do you guys see the spring? Right? So obvious. It's so obvious smart money is buying. I don't know why they're buying, but they're buying. Okay. So this is how it works. WAP, no Mandarin session. Unfortunately, we don't have a Mandarin session, only English due to limited time. And also the fact that the class is built around English, okay? Because of speakers that are coming in that can only speak English. That's also one of the things. Okay, so guys, it's been a pleasure. I hope that by the way, these 2 days, did you guys get any good value? If you guys got any good value, please let me know in the chat. Value in the chat. I'd like to see. Okay. Natalie said, I don't see I need to put money in bank now. We'll take out 80% money and put in staking, buy crypto in the bull market. Natalie, we chat more in the Discord because definitely bank does play a role. You cannot go to grocery store and buy food with crypto yet. Okay. Everyone says value, which is good, much better in English. Yes, good value. And by the way, I ask you guys to please attend the next Trend Investing Masterclass as well. Because many times the first thing you hear, you think you hear 100%. But you actually hear 25%, right? Then you attend the second time, your clarity is going to be much better. I know to hear my voice another day, I want to kill myself, Desmond's voice again, right? But give me another chance, give Jonathan another chance, attend again, and I promise you, you will be even better, right? And this is how trading works. It's just relentless practice and relentless learning. Okay. So guys, it's been a massive, massive honor to serve all of you. Let's continue in Discord. How about that? Okay. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you in a bull market blueprint in Johor. See you guys. Okay. Have a good one.